legislature. It is a great privilege and honor for me to address this joint session of both houses of Andhra Pradesh State Legislature on the occasion of the budget session 2022-23. Our nation and state have gone through a difficult phase in the last 2 years due to COVID-19 pandemic. Being alert to the fact that the pandemic is not over, we all need to be cognizant of a possible recurrence of this menace. Bifurcation of United States, 5 years of police paralysis during 2014 to 19, a year of economic downturn during 2019-20, and 2 subsequent years of COVID-19 pandemic have severely impacted the state finance. My government's steadfast commitment of extending support to welfare of farmers, women, underprivileged, marginalized and vulnerable groups has ensured that even during these excruciating difficult times, rural consumption and spending and the economy as a whole does not take a nosedive. I am proud to say that owing to the impactful interventions of my government, the state has demonstrated real GSTP growth of 0.22% in the financial year 2020-21, and as against this, the country's real GDP sank by 7.3% during the same period. During the financial year 2021-22, the state GSTP at constant prices demonstrated a year-on-year growth 9.1%. For the last 13 years, for the last 3 years, my government has been making relentless effort in ensuring decentralized and inclusive governance. In coherence with the objective of decentralized good governance, we have embarked upon restructuring of districts. My government has decided to restructure the existing 13 districts in the state to 26. This new district administrative setup shall start functioning on the auspicious day of Ugadi, Telugu New Year, 2nd April 2022. Reaffirming our commitment to the welfare of the government employees who are regarded as the pillars of our administration, my government has implemented the 11th Pay Revision Commission to the government employees and pensioners of the state with the payment of 23% and flurry of other benefits, including the release of 5 installments of generous allowance in one go and increasing age limit for the retirement from 60 years to 62 years. This is despite continued financial stress on the government exchequer due to shortfall in the resources primarily because of COVID-19. This bears statement to our commitment to employees, economy. COVID-19 pandemic had a deleterious fiscal impact. While revenues were constrained on the hand, the expenditure had to be stepped up for COVID-19 mitigation measures, protection of livelihood and ensuring the development did not get derated on the other. After the subdued growth registered last year, the state economy is projected to bounce back to pre-COVID levels. The advanced estimates of state economy for the 2022 show the overall growth at 16.82% at current prices. The per capita income has moved up to 2,04,778 from rupees 1,76,707 last year, with a high impressive growth rate of 15.87%. Local global making Navaratnalu with STDs and localization. Amidst the persisting threat of the pandemic, our steadfast commitment to extending support to welfare of the farmers, women, children, unprivileged, marginalized and vulnerable groups continues. Our focus remains on high standards for education, health, agriculture, women empowerment and inclusive governance. The elaborate inclusive model of governance we have adopted under Navaratnalu to improve the lives of our citizens is proving holistic and merits replication by other states. We have implicitly adopted the UN's Sustainable Development Goals broad agenda of leave no one behind under the Navaratnalu framework, wherein all the SDGs have been mapped into the state welfare schemes that are implemented on situation basis. Through localization of SDGs, my government is ensuring that human and economic development takes place in harmony with the environment. The effective implementation of integrated welfare program has been facilitated by the transparent and objective mechanism of directly transferring the financial assistance into the bank account of the beneficiary without leakages, and thereby significantly improve the lives of our citizens. The village and ward secretariat and volunteer system that my government has established